If you are over 70 and dealing with burning, tingling, or that fire sensation in your feet, especially at night when it keeps you awake, this video is specifically for you. Nearly 35% of seniors over 70 experience what doctors call peripheral neuropathy, nerve damage that sends false burning signals to your brain even when there is no physical injury. Most people are given medications with a side effect list longer than their arm, or told to simply manage the pain. But 5 specific kitchen ingredients contain natural compounds that target the exact biological mechanisms causing that burning, reducing nerve inflammation, improving circulation to the feet, and protecting the nerve coating that controls sensation. We are saving the most powerful for last, because combined correctly, it absorbs 2,000% more effectively than on its own. Let's start. Ingredient number 5. Walnuts are one of the most concentrated plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically ALA or alpha-linolenic acid. And for burning feet specifically, this matters more than most people realize. Your peripheral nerves, the nerves running from your spinal cord all the way down to your toes, are wrapped in a protective coating called the myelin sheath. Think of myelin the way you would think of the rubber insulation around an electrical wire. When that insulation is intact, nerve signals travel cleanly and accurately. When it degrades, which happens progressively with age, inflammation, and nutritional deficiency, nerve signals misfire, producing the burning, tingling, and pins and needles sensations that characterize peripheral neuropathy. Myelin is composed significantly of fatty acids, and the specific omega-3 fatty acids found in walnuts are essential building materials for maintaining and rebuilding myelin structure. Research published in a neurological nutrition journal found that higher dietary omega-3 intake was associated with significantly better peripheral nerve function in adults over 65, with lower rates of both neuropathic pain and sensory loss. Beyond myelin support, walnuts contain antioxidant compounds including ellagic acid and vitamin E that reduce the oxidative stress accumulating in nerve tissue, one of the primary mechanisms through which peripheral nerves degrade over time. Walnuts also contain magnesium, a mineral essential for proper nerve signal transmission. When magnesium is insufficient, nerves become hyperexcitable, firing pain signals more readily and more intensely than they should. Tip: 1 small handful of raw walnuts, approximately 7 whole walnuts, daily. Eat them with a small amount of healthy fat to improve omega-3 absorption. Do not roast them at high temperatures as heat degrades the omega-3 content. Raw, stored in the refrigerator or freezer to prevent oxidation, is the most effective form. Next, a root that has been used to treat nerve pain across 3 continents for thousands of years, and that modern research confirms reduces neuropathic inflammation through a specific and measurable pathway. Fresh ginger root contains bioactive compounds called gingerols, natural anti-inflammatory agents that work through multiple pathways simultaneously, several of which are directly relevant to the nerve inflammation causing burning feet. The primary pathway involves gingerols blocking the production of prostaglandins and cytokines, the inflammatory signaling molecules most responsible for nerve tissue inflammation and sensitization. When nerves are chronically inflamed, their signaling threshold drops, meaning they fire more easily and more intensely in response to stimuli that would normally not produce pain. Reducing nerve inflammation raises that threshold, making the nerves less reactive and the burning sensation less severe. Ginger also significantly improves peripheral circulation, the blood flow to the small capillaries that supply oxygen and nutrients to your feet and within them. Poor circulation is one of the most common underlying contributors to burning feet in seniors, particularly those managing diabetes, heart disease, or peripheral artery disease. When circulation improves, more oxygen reaches the nerve tissue, waste products are cleared more efficiently, and the condition that allows neuropathic pain to persist begins to resolve. A clinical study specifically on ginger's effects on peripheral neuropathy in older adults found meaningful reductions in burning sensation and nerve pain scores after consistent ginger consumption over 6 weeks, attributed primarily to its combined anti-inflammatory and circulatory effects. Tip: peel and slice 4 to 5 thin coins of fresh ginger root. Steep in hot water for 12 to 15 minutes for a potent ginger tea. Drink 1 cup in the morning and 1 in the evening. Fresh ginger is significantly more potent than dried powder for these specific compounds. You can also finely grate fresh ginger and add it to warm food, but do not boil it, as high heat degrades gingerol substantially. Number 3 is not just an ingredient. It is the key that unlocks the absorption of everything else on this list. This ingredient may seem surprising on a list about burning feet, but it addresses one of the most critical and most overlooked factors in natural pain relief. The reason so many natural remedies fail to produce results is not that the active compounds are ineffective. It is that without adequate fat present during consumption, most of the most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds in food are absorbed poorly or not at all. Curcumin from turmeric, the most powerful ingredient on today's list, is fat-soluble. Without fat, the vast majority of curcumin passes through the digestive system without entering the bloodstream. The gingerols from ginger are also absorbed more effectively in the presence of fat. Omega-3s from walnuts require fat-soluble digestive enzymes to process efficiently. In other words, healthy fat is not just a supplementary addition. It is the delivery mechanism that determines whether the other 4 ingredients on this list actually reach your nerve tissue in meaningful concentrations. Among the healthy fat options, extra virgin olive oil provides oleocanthal, a natural compound with anti-inflammatory properties that has been studied for its effects on nerve tissue health. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides that cross cell membranes efficiently and may support mitochondrial function in nerve cells. And ghee, clarified butter used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine, has been used specifically alongside anti-inflammatory herbs for thousands of years precisely because traditional practitioners understood, empirically, that fat improved the effectiveness of herbal remedies. Tip: include 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, or ghee with your turmeric and ginger each day. The simplest approach is a warm drink. Turmeric, black pepper, ginger, and a small amount of coconut oil or ghee blended into warm milk or water, a preparation known in Ayurvedic tradition as golden milk, now backed by specific research on curcumin bioavailability. Number 2 is the most underestimated ingredient on this list. Tiny in quantity, extraordinary in impact. Black pepper deserves its own dedicated section on this list because of one specific compound it contains, piperine, and what piperine does to the bioavailability of other anti-inflammatory compounds, particularly curcumin from turmeric. Curcumin on its own is absorbed very poorly by the human digestive system. Studies have shown that without intervention, the vast majority of curcumin consumed is metabolized and excreted before it can reach the bloodstream in meaningful concentrations. This is why many people take turmeric consistently and report limited benefit. They are consuming the compound, but their body is not successfully absorbing it. When piperine from black pepper is consumed alongside curcumin, absorption of curcumin increases by approximately 2,000%. This is not a minor enhancement. It is the difference between a therapeutic dose reaching your nerve tissue and almost none of it doing so. Piperine achieves this by inhibiting certain liver enzymes that would otherwise rapidly break down curcumin before it can be absorbed, and by increasing the permeability of intestinal cells to allow more curcumin to pass through. The effect is dramatic, well documented, and requires only a very small amount of black pepper, approximately 1/4 teaspoon, to produce the full enhancement. Beyond its role as an absorption enhancer, piperine has its own direct anti-inflammatory properties. Research has shown that piperine reduces the production of several key inflammatory compounds that contribute to peripheral nerve inflammation, working synergistically with curcumin rather than simply enabling it. Tip: always combine black pepper with turmeric. Never use turmeric without it for therapeutic purposes. 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper alongside your turmeric dose is sufficient to produce the full 2,000% bioavailability enhancement. Freshly ground black pepper contains higher piperine concentrations than pre-ground. And now, the most powerful ingredient on this list, the one that directly targets the inflammatory pathway most responsible for burning feet, and that researchers are calling one of the most significant natural anti-inflammatory compounds ever studied. Turmeric's active compound is curcumin, and curcumin's effects on nerve inflammation are among the most thoroughly researched in natural medicine. Here is the specific biology. At the root of peripheral neuropathy and burning feet syndrome lies a process called neuroinflammation, chronic, low-grade inflammation specifically within nerve tissue. Neuroinflammation causes nerves to become hypersensitive, lowering their activation threshold and causing them to fire pain signals in response to stimuli that should not cause pain. It also accelerates the degradation of the myelin sheath and impairs the regenerative capacity of damaged nerves. Curcumin inhibits a key inflammatory signaling molecule called NF-κB, the master switch that controls the production of dozens of pro-inflammatory compounds simultaneously. When NF-κB is suppressed, the entire inflammatory cascade that sustains neuropathic pain is interrupted at its source, not at the symptom level, but at the biological mechanism producing those symptoms. Research on curcumin specifically in the context of peripheral neuropathy has shown measurable reductions in neuropathic pain scores, improvements in nerve conduction velocity, and reduced levels of inflammatory markers in nerve tissue. A study on older adults with chronic nerve pain found that consistent curcumin supplementation produced meaningful improvements in both pain intensity and sleep quality, two of the most critical quality of life factors for seniors managing burning feet. Curcumin also supports the regeneration of nerve fibers. Research has shown that curcumin promotes the expression of nerve growth factor, a protein that supports the survival, maintenance, and growth of nerve cells. This is particularly relevant for burning feet caused by nerve damage, as it suggests curcumin may support not just symptom reduction, but actual nerve repair over time. Combined with black pepper's piperine for 2000% enhanced absorption and with healthy fat to further improve bioavailability, turmeric becomes dramatically more effective than taken alone. Tip: 1 teaspoon of high-quality turmeric powder combined with 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or ghee, and freshly grated ginger. Blend it into warm milk, water, or broth. Drink once daily in the evening, approximately 1 hour before bed. The evening timing is strategic, as your body shifts from active metabolism to repair mode during sleep. Having these anti-inflammatory compounds present in your system supports nighttime nerve healing when your body's regenerative processes are most active. Consistency is everything. Curcumin's effects on neuroinflammation build gradually over time. Give this combination a minimum of 4 to 6 weeks of daily use before assessing the full benefit. Here is the daily routine that brings all 5 ingredients together in the most effective combination. Morning: a small handful of raw walnuts with breakfast, alongside any food containing fat for improved omega-3 absorption. Evening: the golden healing drink, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or ghee, and half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger root, stirred into 1 cup of warm milk, oat milk, or warm water. Drink 1 hour before bed. This evening combination delivers curcumin from turmeric targeting neuroinflammation directly, piperine from black pepper maximizing curcumin absorption by 2000%, healthy fat further improving the absorption of both curcumin and ginger compounds, and gingerols from fresh ginger supporting peripheral circulation and additional anti-inflammatory protection. Week 1. You may begin to notice the burning is slightly less intense immediately after the evening drink. This is early anti-inflammatory activity. Weeks 2 to 3. Most people notice the burning becoming less frequent and less severe, particularly during the early hours of the night. Week 4 to 6. This is when the cumulative anti-inflammatory and nerve protective effects produce more sustained relief throughout the night and day. Weeks 8 to 12. Maximum benefit, as the compounds build consistently in your system and as nerve inflammation reduces progressively over time. So there you have it, 5 kitchen ingredients, each targeting the nerve inflammation and circulation issues driving burning feet after 70 in a specific and complementary way. Walnuts rebuild and protect the myelin sheath surrounding your peripheral nerves. Fresh ginger reduces the nerve inflammation that keeps that burning signal active. Healthy fat ensures the most powerful compounds in this list actually reach your nerve tissue rather than passing through unused. Black pepper unlocks 2000% more of turmeric's curcumin for absorption. And turmeric, through curcumin's suppression of NF-κB, interrupts the neuroinflammatory cascade at its source. These work alongside your medical care, not instead of it. Always keep your doctor informed, particularly if you are managing diabetes, taking blood thinners, or on any medications, as turmeric and ginger can interact with certain prescriptions. Start tonight with the golden drink. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, freshly grated ginger, warm milk. 30 days of consistency. Pay attention to how your feet feel, especially at night. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with someone over 70 who deserves relief from this pain, and subscribe to Vital Health for more natural senior health solutions every week. Drop your country in the comments and tell us, which of these 5 ingredients are you already using? We read every single one. We will see you in the next one.